Hi friends, welcome to looturs channel. In this channel, I will upload videos on how to order products online with discounts and how to get cashback offers. With that, you can save a lot of money. So subscribe to our channel to get daily offers on your mobile and follow us on Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram for the loot offers. I would also mention all the necessary details of the video in the description box and on the screen. So let's get into the video. So how to order online medicines on 1mg to get huge discounts and earn cashback. So follow the same process on 1mg desktop or 1mg app. How to order medicines online on 1mg to get huge discounts and earn extra cashback. Follow the same process on 1mg desktop mobile site or 1mg app. So here's the 1mg official website, 1mg.com. So here's how the site looks, and here is an offer going on, that is flat 25% on allopathy medicines and 50% on lab test and up to 200 rupees cashback to Amazon Pay cashback offer. So how to get the offer? So you can get their app here by clicking on this. You can download to your iOS or Android. So here's the login and sign up button. If you don't have an account, just sign up for it. If you have an account, just log in. So you can also contact them. So here's where you have to upload your prescription. Without prescription, 1mg does not deliver any of the allopathy medicines. So here the different type of sections, that is the medicines, lab test, ask doctor, Ayurveda. Select your location. So this is present, the offer is going on, flat 25% on allopathy medicines and extra cashback to Amazon Pay balance up to rupees 200. So you can check all the future brands and everything here. So enter the tablet name first. For example, this is the tablet name. Click on add to cart and select your requirement. How many strips do you want according to the tablet? I'll select 3 and click on add to cart. So it's been added to the cart. Now here you will get super sale. The Amazon cashback offer is for minimum order of rupees 1500. So I'll let you know the terms and conditions for the offers. So flat 25% on medicines, earn up to rupees 200 Amazon Pay balance. So by using the code super sale on orders above rupees 1500. On orders from 500 to 1500, you get 20% off on medicines plus 200 Amazon Pay balance by using the code HEALTH1020. Next, as per the selected city, you get 10% discount on allopathy medicines plus 200 Amazon Pay balance by using HEALTH10. You can use the above 3 codes to get discounts. And next would be the ordering of the medicines. I'll show you how to order with the minimum of 1500 rupees medicines. So add some of the medicines to your cart which you are required. So you have to log in through your email ID or the mobile number. For the new member, you have to enter your mobile number. Click on continue. So as I already have the login ID, so I'll just log into my account. You will get an OTP to the mobile. Here you can see the coupon code HEALTH1020. So if you increase the amount, you will see the different coupon code. Select the coupon code. So this is the current super sale code to get 25% off. So you can see the MRP, coupon discount, shipping as per your location, total amount to be paid. Then this is the total amount you have saved. So next click on checkout. So you have to upload prescription next. I have already uploaded, so no need to go. So select your address, click on proceed. Here you can pay through different wallets like Paytm, Amazon, Ola Money, MobiWiki, Freecharge, PhonePe, Airtel Money, Jio Money, MP, ESA. You can pay through the cards like credit or debit cards. You can pay through the net banking of all the net bankings. Next to PayPal. You can also pay through the pay on delivery option. So see what is there available. You can also pay through cash on delivery. But if cash on delivery, you would not get the Amazon cashback offer, which is currently running now. So link your Amazon Pay wallet account to 1MG app and make payment. Then only you would get up to rupees 200 cashback to your wallet. Only once per user. The offer is available from 1st June to 30th June. But only the 25% discount ends today. So order medicines online by sitting at home.